Their stripes merge, creating a dazzling camouflage effect that makes it difficult for predators like lions to select and lock onto a target. A recent study also shows that the polarized light reflected from a zebra's stripes disrupts the navigation systems of tsetse flies and horseflies, two insects that carry dangerous